Hey guys, I just wanted to take a minute and show you how I sometimes make my coffee. This is how my grandma has always made her coffee, and she's from Puerto Rico. Sometimes she prefers this over coffee pot kind of coffee when she's visiting. I think this is one of the best ways if you like to have your cup of coffee stronger than usual. It's similar to a pour over in the sense that you have your coffee, you have the hot water, you're blooming your coffee and you're pouring it into a funnel to strain the grain out of the liquid. So what I did, I just put a few tablespoons of my preferred coffee. I stirred it into the hot water. I did not let it boil so it doesn't get bitter on me. And then I just go ahead and pour it into this little sock-like thing with a little silver handle. My grandma sent that from Puerto Rico for me, and what you want to do is just rinse it with water. Don't use detergents because that will get into your coffee the next time that you strain it out. And I did spill a little bit of coffee in there, but that's okay. I cleaned it up after. Normally what you want to do is once you pour it into the cup of your choosing, you want to rinse out the pot that you've just made your cup of coffee from, and then pour the coffee back from the mug into that pot, and put whatever kind of milk and sugar, if you take any, in your coffee, and just kind of combine it until the sugar dissolves. I didn't do that this time. As you can see here in a minute, I just pour a little bit of the oat milk into my coffee because the mug, as you can tell, is super hot. So I figured just cool it down a little bit. And I do like oat milk. We have a dairy sensitivity, so it stinks. But it doesn't make a big difference anymore. I've been on oat milk for I'd say almost 2 years now. So once you're done with this, just give it a stir a couple of times. And when I did spill it, I got a couple of little coffee grinds in my coffee cup, so I just spooned it out. And that's pretty much it. Once you're done with this step, you can either, if you have some coffee left over, you can reheat it for later, or you can just drink it right after your first cup of coffee. So that's all. It's very simple to make, and it's faster than a regular traditional cup of coffee. Thanks for sticking around, guys. See ya.